Hello everyone, our today's topic is inheritance in Java. Today is 28 September 2021. So we will discuss about inheritance in Java. So we will see what is meant by inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object is acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent object. It is an important part of OOPS, that is object oriented program. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of parent class. Inheritance represents the relationship which is also known as parent child class. Why use inheritance in Java? For method overriding as well as routine polymorphism can be achieved, as well as inheritance in Java is used for code reusability. Terms used in inheritance. First is class. Class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or a blueprint from which objects are created. Then second is subclass, or also known as child class. Subclass or child class is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called a derived class, extended class, or child class. Then third one is superclass, that is parent class. Superclass is the class from superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also called a base class or parent class. Then fourth one is reusability. As the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates to reuse the fields and methods of the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same fields and methods already defined in the Java. So next point in inheritance in Java is types of inheritance in Java, and then we will see about type. In inheritance in Java, first is single inheritance. Then second is multi-level inheritance. Then third one is hierarchical inheritance. So we will see about first inheritance in Java, that is single inheritance. In Java, when a class inherits another class, it is known as single inheritance. Then second is multi-level inheritance. In Java, when there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as multi-level inheritance. As you can see, block dog class inheritance the dog class, which again inherits the animal class. So there is a multi-level inheritance. And third one is hierarchical hierarchical inheritance. When in hierarchical inheritance, when two or more classes inheritance a single class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. Then multiple why then we will see about why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. To reduce the completely and simplify the language, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. So it is all about inheritance in Java. Thank you.